Have you ever felt stuck trying to grow your microgreen business? Maybe you heard advice that sounded too good on the surface, but it just wasn't working for you? Well, today we're cutting through all the noise and breaking down the 5 most common myths about selling microgreens that might be holding you back. If you want to build a sustainable business, one that not only makes sense for sales, but also keeps customers coming back, you're in the right place. And stick around until the end because I want to share a simple way that you can join our free community like-minded growers just like you who are building a business themselves. So let's dive in. All right, myth 1. You can sell to everyone. Sounds nice, right? Microgreens are versatile, healthy, and beautiful, so why not sell to everyone? Everyone should be eating them, but you can't go in that with the mindset. Here's the problem. When you try to sell to everyone, you end up speaking to no one. The different customers, different things. Chefs might look for unique microgreens with flavor profile for their garnished dishes, while grocery stores might prioritize shelf life and consistency. By trying to please everyone, you stretch yourself too thin and end up not serving anyone well. Instead, focus on specific niches. For example, I work with restaurants that value high quality, freshly harvested microgreens delivered consistently to their door, to the back door. Find your niche that lets you tailor your products and service, making you more effective and memorable. All right, myth number 2, niches are too limited. I hear this one all the time. It couldn't be further from the truth. The reality, niches are your secret weapon. A well-defined niche gives you loyal customers who value what you bring to the table. For example, we supply carrot microgreens exclusively to one restaurant. They love the uniquenesses, and it's built a strong, ongoing relationship with them. This is the power of niche. You're not just another grower, you're their go-to grower. What is your niche? Put that in the comments. If you're not sure yet, just drop the word focus in the comments, and we'll help you brainstorm. All right, myth number 3. Selling is all about price. Let's get real here. Competitive on price alone is a race to the bottom. Why price matters, it's not the only thing customers care about. The value and unique reliability of service is even more. For instance, we had a client willing to pay a premium because they know our microgreens harvest the same day we deliver them. That freshness, bringing attention to detail, sets you apart from everybody else and them cheap competitors. So instead of lowering your prices, focus on communicating the value you bring. Showcase your quality, your reliability, your benefits to your service. That's the way you're going to get them. All right, let's talk about myth number 4. You don't need marketing. That one's a killer. Some growers think word of mouth alone is enough to grow their business. They're in trouble. Don't get me wrong, referrals are fantastic, but relying on them alone is a risky plan. Consistent marketing is what keeps your business visible, growing. Whether you're sharing your journey on social media, attending local farmers markets, or connecting direct with the chef and the store managers, marketing builds awareness and trust. For example, posting behind-the-scenes videos, like we're showing now, our microgreen growing process on Instagram has built me several clients that found us there. So definitely all that helps. Simple, authentic marketing works. You're ready to learn how to market your business effectively? I got something for you. More on that in a minute. All right, myth number 5. You can wing it without a plan. Don't do this one. This might seem harmless, but it's a recipe for burnout, inconsistency. You're just not going to work. Microgreens grow fast, but building a business takes time, lots of time, effort, and strategy. You need a plan for planting, harvesting, marketing, and delivering your microgreens. For me, having a detailed schedule down to my delivery routes saves me hours each week, keeping the business running smoothly. If you feel overwhelmed, remember, planning isn't about perfection. Nobody's perfect. It's about creating a roadmap to guide you for your growth. So there you have it. 5 myths that are busted about selling microgreens. These myths can make or break your success, but now you have the tools to avoid them. You're welcome. If you're ready to cut through the noise and build a thriving microgreen business, I invite you to join our free community, Microgreens for Profit. It is packed with resources, tips, supportive group of a lot of growers over there, and on the same journey as you. No distractions of a Facebook group or anything like that. Focused group. The link is in the description. You can join 100% for free. Let's grow your business together. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. And let me know in the comments about other myths you've heard about selling microgreens. and we'll see you in the next one.